Madam saying then so when me at me a share. Me mau biara happy new year. And my besia and the kakra. Na Premiere for I there be like very impressed. And mini no more video editors no ya 20. Any jaba media sana mekano. But be so the minimum said they was fun or be home. And then Premiere 23 aba ye use 23 for free aba and you know me ba bachelor ni maka krabia mexica kra but na omodi bi yak beka and then me ba bachelor kwan ya befa so a obebo test because legacy title ayira frame a year frame kra a year frame 23 no year frame and you know me ba bachelor kwan ya befa so a obeyo test or lower test or graphics or Premiere me ba bachelor kwan ya befa so a obeye and you know men say umre no yanto aso ma lusu me voice kakra ba obende ye me abane de na aba 23 Premiere 23 aba live yen start it. See interface no bibia sasa all right bibia sasa say na Premiere 23 no esitie se one download bibia na my next video me de bebre no me metro kwan be fa so be download full pack for free I mean master correction no for free metro kwan be fa so be download no and ubia say na tie asisa ye bebre yabam interface ne kura asisa but so far I say o tie adwuma na asene de obehu ba bia asa wode wan ana asa me wo ha ide metro de e kire wadwen bia no bisa question bia ope ewo description ase mesra say won subscribe to channel where over subscribe e de amame you hear whether na say the whether na say na de this year de say ya na yekono this year say na yekono software bia better phone bia me ma so saka nti mensa omre no yanto aso subscribe na share amame mama for omunso omunya bi na omonhwe na yensu ade video editors adepa aba nti yanto aso okay medical be that by wo he ha new project and I hope say obi any new project that okay to new project a different way kakra than other ones no so be a we use 22 20 21 and 19 a different kakra but anya no na me ba bechro obi a yi kakra ma me fa unko de ntia title no na hia me I mean title no ene hia me legacy title na ayira no na ya hwehwe yan start okay obi a say na interface no esi ete and this is to say old ones but positions kakra and then there might be money as film as there might be brief film because so here so import and I edit and I export but first and then to say oba export here see how export here they are a different way we import here they are oba importing the dialects from we know you see when we say the SAB you know me drive and I have my drives and my computer desktop and document download movies and music and pictures we now call we now desktop now ni na ohano o font na so betimi amana ketwa o betimi abi say ade omoko manim o ma ya de Premiere ayade and beans on the ohano at the moment now we create well watch a video we now person load there o call drive na baby e will be ano now load there free what dialect be create new bin e wa ha or create new bin a sequence and so e wa ha say or create baby and sign wabo import when import at the timeline. Internet. Yeah, start it. Okay. This is a title no, another for man. Title no, and no any. So legacy title no. So the first necessity no, and to save you, year frame. This is our hair sort of ha. We mune for edit clip and a sequence no, and we need an ending in our hand, but graphics and a title and a modern camera view windows and maybe all right. We wait to or editing size. So there was a pen be a bit me as a sending in a wahasi, but yes, that's it. You see, I'm model, never be brave, never be brave. Fetch me. Yeah, okay. Manya could, but at least I was a try and I'm a deba. So they be a minianum so meet me and so I can be. Ain't you know? Best that say and it's incredible title. Incredible title. Yanko ha maka adjustment layer. I mean create adjustment layer. But say maybe a timeline okay. Okay. I'll drag it to my Obi a kwan of security no me say like me chiro okay. Yes. But me de chiro. I'm what I say. Say na title net here. As a moment I was started to title you choose ni na how to say Photoshop no said we na nyina na harder that but title ma see a title na ni title ni and the graphics ni see a yasesa no baby amode abani amode ababa to because of say kakra we was 19 20 21 nina ewo but cinema kakra bi so na masawe de ade abeka ho ha emojis na but yan kon say yan me type e bia o type o bot title my type I have box title okay this here no opesa osisa font na o highlight no about test and then the test baby I sheni about test mostly I am used to area fonts area board you know black one use black. Okay, you see how it is now. Size and so any opesa size na the opesa any bia and also any main position into middle. Okay, horizontal then my position come your best is a colors and so you see any maybe I say Bekoa okay so wasarete okara okay white blue colors be out baby no said the other na isitie na ai na fe stroke hana anije no ewo ha ena anije no sa stroke na hana anije no utimi say obi timi criticize bia nanka was say first na ye no after effects na ye de aba Premiere stroke until because of say bia obe design stroke be crowded stroke bakara be kan more like more they say they make an as stroke ni they must say and you know okay stroke yes already aha we so I say ya wone ma miensa ewa obi aye na adwuma obi aye adwuma select first one aye na adwuma different second one aye na adwuma my starting is me change me pesa me de chiro keke se de be ya obi hu hawa obesi afaso ni o sarete na gray. Okay, I'm sarete blue na about that side red. Okay, red. Then you hit okay. See how it looks like. Almost steady as I got. I know. Say, Opesa will be a muswa. Obey my son, inner, center, and outer. So Opesa by inside, stroking by inside, and I go outside. You see, in a center and so but yanko outside. Obey be more, obey to me, na yakase. See, and he just could be himself. Stroke at the same time, stroke no. We wait to my secretary for fracas by clicking that plus over there. About plus in this one for fracas. Now I select it. I click it. And no, you're the inner. Now double click it. And then obey my select one color. Then select black. Nafi, you see how it looks? You see how it looks? So perfect. And go kakra. How serious it is. It's too much. It's too much. So let's go. At least let's go 7. 7 will be okay. I love it. That's perfect. Then you can add another stroke to it. You select it, and that will be outside. I will go out. A man and go outside, and then so then select yellow color. Like me personality has sent graphics and I said the best I could be as I know if I don't worry. But me person me throw tools and I said is it there. You see? That's perfect. So say legacy title no every morning say na is it here. But my mention whatever say be our person we lower third. Now person will create here their background or actually lower third nature. Let's go into it. Let me delete it and then create another adjustment layer. Yes. Then you drag it. So as I say, shapes na yepe no. I don't want to go into details. I don't want to go say me person me basic on tree ne ma what ya say. Sa polygon sa 4 square triangle, those things no round in the T and then so person create here and any now oba other side is wa aba besisa no color no say the hope yanko pink red. Let's go to red. It's too much. Red. Okay. Nafi. I'll be click your test. I'll be pick your test. Then you click test. Maybe subscribe. subscribe. Yes. Then you limit it by limiting to your size that you want. I like it this way. Depending this way, depending see and like I'm trying to make work this way. Depending see then you can reposition it. Select it then. Okay. Yes. Okay. Oh, we na aswa obetimi adjusting. Yes. Subscribe. And as I open round on as well. Polygon this is it. See it. And also see it. See it. And see a very simple effect. BBA or PBA and in our effect control like other. I mean, yeah, let me do some little effects. I mean, try some bit to me. Little effect the kakra. Yes. Okay. Yes. I am trying now. And yeah, like effect. Next time, watch rock higher. On my first one, bit me. I criticize those simple effects. So let's play and see. You see how it is. It's not fast. So you're gonna see. Then you get it's out. Then it's in. Then you go closer. The more you close it, the more you go speed. So it's the more now we're closing it up. You see, saying that here. Yes, I love it. Yes, and bit me as some presets or preset I'll bit me apply and your friends are Premiere now more the Kakrana woman and also bit me. We used to like or prior, you see. Zoom close. Then you zoom close. Yes. Unsubscribe to my channel where I'm subscribe to mommy. Me sorry, my voice no more fancha me. Me per se unsubscribe ya. Subscribe to mommy. Subscribe to channel we. Never say na what more video editors there behind the scene. How to cut videos, how to beginners and then put the modern awesome there like me will package the my beginners. More package full package at my beginners because we beat me frame no be some na me person me here editing say na me say no me person me here way say na me sing no but time ne maybe yeah I'm a more someone sa can be subscribe for channel way na me na share say the be ya me so me drop a video anytime ya me drop a video bia once abeka me so asato wase na share video no kwesi awie hwe ni nyina sana why there was why escape share video no more madam for sunshine movie yakara my next video how obviously download Adobe Master Correction.